Hello, dear traders. You're watching daily currency market news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. The New Zealand dollar posted a substantial rise in the late Wellington session as investors remain on their sidelines, cutting back bullish bets on the US dollar ahead of the monetary policy decision by the Federal Reserve. During Thursday's trading session, the New Zealand dollar climbed against the greenback to 0.6376, quickly pairing yesterday's losses. Currently, the pair has pulled back slightly from its highs and is trading at 0.6355. Currency strategists attribute the pair's recovery to the overall decline of the US dollar in Asian deals, as the market is trying to predict the possible impact of the weak US inflation report on the Fed's long-awaited interest rate move. Right now, most traders are closely watching the Federal Reserve's meeting, hoping that the US Central Bank decides to keep its interest rates unchanged in light of the global financial turmoil and recent volatility in China's stock markets. Moreover, the lower-than-expected inflation data from the United States released yesterday has also damped the changes of the Fed's September liftoff. Meanwhile, the Kiwi started recovering after the New Zealand Bureau of Statistics said that the country's gross domestic product increased by 0.4% over the second quarter and by 2.4% on an annual basis. Both figures came below the average forecast, namely 0.6% for the quarter and 2.5% year-on-year. The GDP report from New Zealand indicates that the country's economic growth was below the trend rate in the first half of the year, which means that the economy's expansion pace is slowing down. This time, the indicator was supported by a recovery in dairy production and mining, following a drawdown in the first quarter and the ongoing growth of the business services industry. It was InstаForex's news and me, Kate Nidachina. See you next release.